definitely drier. We're at that junction where the Follow the Dog joins the Monkey at Uncle Arthur, and it's really slick. I haven't been on this as wet as this for a long time. So, right, this is Uncle Arthur. There's a lot of ice around today, so I'm not hitting it at full speed, that's for sure. And here we are at the top of Devil's Staircase.
Devil's Staircase, let's go.
Try and get around that corner in one. Slow, but I did it without putting my foot down. I'm happy with that in these conditions. There's a lot of ice around today. And there we are at the bottom. It's just about keeping fitness through the winter, not breaking any records today for me.
Oh, nearly.
Nearly.
I just haven't got the strength in my legs to get up that.
Do you want a breather? Just recompose. Right, this is tight squeeze. Unlock your suspension, John. Unlock your suspension. There's a tight squeeze. I wish they'd get rid of that post. Oh, yeah. No. So, Rainbow Valley. So the challenge with that climb is to make it, and once you've made it a few times without putting your foot down, then you can try and get more speed. So it's nice,
look at the view here.
Nice up here. That's what we do it for. Views like that.
That for a view, Rich.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Whew. Right, we're going over the rainbow now. The puddles in this area are absolutely frozen solid. Well, that one wasn't, but that one is. Reminds me of Landegler at the top, but that's even more barren than this. Oh. There you go.
There's a few nice little drop-offs, although I almost gave me cropper on the two that were close together.
Yeah.
I sort of tried to jump. So
I forgot about the one.
Well, that's it. It's been that long. I forgot they were there. I was going quite quick. And of course,
So yeah, this is a horrible climb. It's a little bit like Cardiac Hill, but it's not loose. So you got good traction on it. I'm just going to take it easy. I'll turn the camera back on at the top because it's just straight. There's a little feature I think Darren will go off up here. The trail goes for quite a while and it's well ridden, but there's just a little rollable drop here, so turn the camera down a little bit. So slippy, and that was the wrong gear. Nothing to worry about there. You just can't go into it very fast, it's so icy and wet. You survived?
just about. Because you've got that natural down angle again.
Yeah.
So it's hard to get your weight over the back.
Go on then.
Let's go.
I know.
Keep going. Try and use the pumping technique. Right at the top of that bird. Try something.
All right. Alright. Gets a bit tight through the trees at some point, so
yeah,
just be careful. This is open. So tight for these 780 handlebars. Straight up for a bit. Original monkey. Go on, Darren, go in front.
No, you're right, I've got to get the right gear first. Keep doing me.
Yeah, I had to stop, so right, that was a little bit awkward. This is a pretty decent climb, this is. I forgot I should have locked my suspension out first. Got it.
Hey mate, don't pull over for me, keep your momentum going.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know how I should go so long without the SPD.
Yeah. I've never liked them.
I didn't. I was massively against them until I got them.
Yeah, I had them before.
My first one or two rides were sketchy as hell.
Yeah.
And then I got used to them.
Oh, all over the place. Come on, Rich. Bit tight. Which one's which? No, I want to go down there. Oh, going the wrong way. So, he bossed it. John's breaking the trail today.
You come round, that's
If you want to have a look at it, have a look at it. Because there's Tom, Dick and Harry just down here.
Yeah.
If you carry on. But Darren's all in the trying to break his wrist or something today.
Don't like the look of that. That's speed right after the bend.
Yeah, and you got that tree right in front of you.
Yeah. And
So you got
there as well. You really need to know what you're doing for this. I've seen somebody do it on the video and it didn't look that hard.
No.
What it doesn't show you is actually how steep it is. And that there, the first bit isn't too bad. And then as you come off the rock, it's a 1.5 drop, about a foot drop.
Look at that.
And then straight into a bend. Oh no,
you
you
go
go
straight over the handlebar
yeah.
if you get that wrong.
You've got to manual that at speed.
I don't know. Thing is, you can't do it, you know, when you're not.
You're going over the handlebars and
angling down, ain't you already?
Yeah.
You've got to be able to come around that bank and hit that at a bit of speed and do a manual.
Yeah, and not hit that tree.
So you've got to come. Well, hopefully, if you come around the bank at the right thing, you've got. But the problem is, if you've got speed, you will hit the trees.
You're going to be coming round here, ain't you? You've got no speed, you're going to be coming behind here.
So we're just looking at this. And I say that's quite a good drop, and then you've got this tree right in front of you, which I like hugging trees. You know my form for hugging trees. There is a little bypass, and then you've got this. But wow, this bit's not too bad. Up to this part here is not too bad, but it's getting down that bit there. This is called the qualifier, is it? And then you've got this one here. That one's not too bad. That's quite flat. But that's pretty tough. You got this nice root. You don't want to catch that root. So could do with making that a little bit more gradual, but yeah, I'm sure it's a piece of piss for decent riders. But again. I'm more a cautious rider for fitness and push my boundaries a bit, but it probably doesn't show it on this camera like or GoPros, but that's steep.
I'm not going to attempt that, Rich. Maybe in a year's time. I don't need to I don't like these angled down drops.
Yeah.
You got that tree. You got no speed onto it.
You need something like Phil. You have skills with Phil.
Yeah, he's good.
You can do a slow manual off a drop. Because I've seen him do a 6-foot drop.
Yeah, if you sort of went right to that tree.
There's a video of it. Yeah. Right on the top of this rock, yeah. And he's stationed.
Right. We'll find something a little bit easier.
Tom, Dick and Harry.
Right, okay. Tom, Dick and Harry.